Hey, it's Lawrence here, unboxing this beast of a car. This is the Arrma infraction. I don't know, this says it's the actual size here. You guys can see this. It's a 1/7 scale, which is pretty big. I got the 1/5 scales, they're a lot bigger. The 1/5 scales are about the same size as this box, a little wider. But yeah, let's get down to it. Open this beast up. Here we go. I don't know if that knife is big enough, but whatever. It's so sharp. Oh my god. Can you feel that? I got the jitters kind of. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Oh. I don't know what to say. They really outdid themselves with this saran wrap. I haven't seen that in an RC car. Odds and ends, shock towers. There's the spur gear for the 80 miles an hour. Wheel nut wrench. Wow, they actually give you parts, unlike Lowe's and all these, or not Lowe's, but a lot of these RC companies. Oh, this thing is a monster. I'm 5'6". Just to put that in scale. So big. Look how big these zip ties are. All the scissors and knives are brought to you by Cutco. Look at that. What a monster. Yeah, let's put it in the living room. Doesn't sound too nice, but only gonna be a few months and then we can drive this thing. Ooh. Ooh. Look at the size of that motor. This is real. These are real wires. Look at the weight. They just flop around. There's gonna be so much current going to this. Beautiful. Well, I guess that's all there is to it. Body's very nice. Has these little sliders on top in case you flip it. Put some like reinforcement tape in the wheel wells around where the body pins are. Honestly, it looks pretty tough. Like how everything's concealed. I found the best RC cars are the ones where it's all flat on the bottom. That way they just glide over everything. the air pockets, diffuser, wind splitter. I guess pull 2 of the screws out so that way it comes off in case you do hit something. Alright, cool. Kill it. I'm gonna